Okay, we continue discussing on how to perform Holts winter trend and seasonality by using Excel. Alright, the first important part is always how to determine the best value for alpha, beta and gamma. Alright, so for this purpose of demonstration, I will use alpha equals to 0.7, beta is equal to 0.2 and gamma equals to 0. Alright, it's actually this slideshow is using our textbook example, but for the purpose of demonstration, what I have here is actually a monthly data series. So instead of s equal to 4, now my example will be s equals to 12. Okay, but the thing is, you can follow the step here as example here. First, we have to determine the initial value for LO. Okay, here we refer to the equation back. We need LT, BT, ST, and alright. For the estimation purpose, instead of F, we will use Y hat symbols. Alright, so let's take a look at LT, BT, ST. Okay, LT, BT, ST, and to estimate the value Y hat. Right, so this is the thing that you need to set up first. Okay, let's take a look at what are the things that you need to calculate. Okay, so LO is a simple procedure used to take the average of the first 4 quarters. Okay, this is example if we use quarter. So for monthly, we need to calculate the first 12. Okay, the first 12 observation. Alright, so this I will put this as our initial value here. So the average is the average, right? Just simple as that. Okay, we can put the formula here, average. Okay, then enter. You'll get the initial value for LT or LO here. Alright, we will start put the equation for the purpose of so we will start at t equals to 13. Okay, right. So now for our BT, BT is 1 over S, SST plus 1. So here S here is equals to 12 for our demonstration. Okay, so 12 plus 1 is 13. So Y13 minus Y1 over 12. Y14 minus Y2 over 12. Okay, so how to get it? Okay, so you have to put this equation. Alright, so the first 13 minus this, and then over 12, and you have to I put the parentheses here to make sure that we calculate correctly. Right, so this is for initial value for beta, for BT. Okay, for BT, this is the way. Okay, you have to minus the respected cell. Make sure you correctly put this value. Alright. Okay, so after you do the equation here, alright, you get the value for beta naught. Okay, so next we estimate the the S1 until for this example S1 until S4. So for our example, we need S1 until S12. So how can we do it? Right, referring to your formula here. Okay, the first observation over LO, the second observation over LO. So what we do? Okay, so the first observation, alright, over LO. Okay, we have to fix this value so that the cell is not changing when we do this drag. Okay, right, so leave it this empty. Okay, so this is the first setup when you want to do when we want to estimate the Holts method. Alright, now let's take a look at the general equation. Okay, so first LT. Okay, now we will start put the value. Alright, okay, so here I will use alpha, beta, gamma. Right, for this purpose of example I will use alpha 0.7 alpha 0.7, beta 0.2, and gamma 0. And so on. Right, so now here we start with LT. So LT here is alpha. Alpha times YT. YT here is Y13. Over just to be safe, over ST minus S. So ST minus S is actually S1. Plus 1 minus alpha. Times, right, LT minus 1 plus BT minus 1. So T is 13, so L12 plus B12. L12 plus B12. Right, so this is right. Oh, my cell. Be careful, right? Right, so enter. For the next column, for BT is beta times LT minus 1. So LT minus 1. Alright, don't forget to put this dollar sign here to lock the cell, and then plus 1 minus beta times BT minus 1. So T is 13 minus 1, 12. Right, enter. ST is gamma. So gamma times YT over LT. Y13 over L13 plus 1 minus gamma time ST minus S. So ST minus S is actually S1. Okay, don't forget to put the log, to put the dollar sign here, right, and enter. Right, and then y hat, we will use this formula, but instead of f we use y hat. Y hat y13 equals to L12 plus B12 times 1. Okay, S13 minus 12 plus M is actually S1. So how do we put here? Okay, LT plus BT times 1. Okay, we will use one step ahead for the estimated period. ST minus S plus M is actually S1. Then you click enter, and then you just drag. Okay, so this is your Holts winter trend and seasonality. Alright. Okay, so for the purpose of okay, if you want to do some forecast, alright, this is our forecast value. Okay, so here the formula is, alright, okay, for one step ahead, okay, you just simply as LT. Okay, this is our LT plus BT times 1, okay, times the ST here, right? That's the thing. Okay, just click enter. Okay, for okay, for S2, okay, you have to put here, okay, right. Okay, for S2, okay, instead of 1 you need to put 2 here. Sorry, okay, this is 1, okay, this is 2. Okay, and then if you want 3, okay, 3 here, right? Okay, you can continue. I think that's it. Alright, thank you for listening. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask, you can reply under the comment below. Thank you guys, see you.